This is DJ and Eric's team. Our project is ball tracking with webcam and iRobot. So let's start with the slides. First slide is for the objective and deliverables. Objective, we are using a webcam and OpenCV together with iRobot, find colored object, in this case green ball, in the webcam and follow it. The deliverables are green color ball. We're gonna follow the target, but we would not collide. And the iRobot will follow the ball within around 50 centimeters. Next slide is to show the equipment. We are using BeagleBone Black for webcam image processing and iRobot motion control. We're using Embed for sonar control. We're using iRobot for motion, and we are using Logitech C920 for image capture. More equipment is multiple sonar for collision avoidance, power bank, the green ball, which is the object we're gonna detect, and the display, basically the laptop to display the screen. So for software, we are using Python, OpenCV, Xmin, and PuTTY. We are using Python to access the webcam and to control the motion of the iRobot. OpenCV for image processing, Xmin for redirecting and displaying the graphical Linux program on the Windows computer, and the PuTTY to do the SSH connection from Windows to Linux system. Next slide is integration. We are using a webcam and OpenCV together with iRobot, and we're gonna find the colored objects in the webcam, and we're gonna follow them. In this case, it's gonna be the green ball. We're gonna bring the green ball to the webcam vision area. When the color reaches the edge of the viewing area, the iRobot will move to put the green ball back into the middle of the viewing screen, right? And then as the target moves, as the ball moves, the iRobot should turn with the green ball, okay? So we will use the size of the colored ball to decide how far the ball is, and then move the iRobot either forward or backwards based on the size of the ball in the screen. Next slide is the setup. So basically you can see we have the first webcam, which is going to capture the image of the ball. Then it's going to send the information to the BBB. The BBB is going to do the image processing with OpenCV and iRobot control. And then we have the iRobot, which is going to move, and also is going to have the sonars mounted. And then the embed is going to sense those sonars to avoid collision, and then it's going to send the signals to the BBB to stop the iRobot in case of the obstruction. And then we have the display, basically the laptop, to display whatever the webcam is capturing. And then the challenges, we have three main challenges. The first one is the OpenCV. We have very short period of time to implement it and to learn it from scratch. And the second one is the color detection. And this is one of the most important challenges because in order to have a success tracking, the color detection has to be very accurate. So we perform webcam calibration for different light conditions to ensure optimal object tracking. And the last one is the FPS, which is frames per second, or the refresh rate. We noticed that in the Blackbone, the processing is very slow, and it's because it doesn't have a GPU. So we use threading and also a small frame size to increase the FPS processing rate. Thank you.